Welcome to the post-game press conference here by the head coach Leo Austin. Coach, what can you say about Wapiti exploding on the fourth quarter of the game and how reliable he is for you?
I'm so happy for Wami tonight, because for the first time, and out of so many games, bigla siyang pumutok kanina, and sunod-sunod. And that's what I'm expecting from him. And I think the right time, the right place, because this game is really important for us.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Coach, yung buo kay Wami, maraming na-contribute sa panalo na ito. Masasabi mo na, especially big game against Converse, na hindi lang yung mga usual na sila Lulmar ang contribute doon.
I think that's what I'm expecting from them, because in the practices or in the previous game, our bench contributed a lot, especially this guy coming, Wami, because he's always out there to show what is about Wami. His shooting is mabuti lumabas kanina, and I'm happy for him. And the usual thing, yung bench namin kailangan mag-step up. And we have a lot of respect dito sa Converge dahil for me, they are a contender in this conference.
Ano naman masasabi mo na sa dami na nag-contribute sa mga players na dito sa Pidgo nyo against the Converse Pirates?
Actually, kumuha nga po ako ng inspiration kina Chris Rosales and Chris Miller when knowing na yung binibigay niya yung quality minutes. So, I knew I had to step up also in order for us to win. So, we give credit where credit is due. Yung dalawang player talaga sila yung nag-step up.
We talk about bagong naging great sa game at kasi Converge and the rising team. So, ano naging preparation dito and mindset going into this team na young and maging contender for this one?
Actually, it's all lahat yung kay Coach Leo kasi remind na talaga sa amin na important yung win namin ngayon kasi everyone's medyo tight, one loss. So we made sure na we get this win. I think 5th na kami and then another baka nasa top 3 na kami. So actually coming from Dubai lang kami, one day rest lang . So ang sabi ni Coach Leo na very important na mag-practice kami knowing na Converge is a contender.
Coach, sa mga boses mo, paano ka nag-compose nito sa game na to in your voice?
Yeah, after suffering a lot of unforgettable experience sa Dubai because I was not able to get out of the hotel because of my LBM, and then we came back to the Philippines and after 2 days, siguro mababa yung resistance ko. Ito naman, nagkaroon ng magandang boses. Nasa panasipon, but I have to do my job, and every day I was in the practice. Actually, there's a lot of players who's in the sideline, and Jericho is not supposed to be to play. He was just cleared this morning by the doctor that he can play, although he's not practicing 1 week before the Dubai, but he wants to play because he wants to help the team, and that's what I like from him, And there's another player, Junmar. I'm so happy for him because yesterday he was cleared also by the result of the X-ray because something wrong with him, with his two heels, and so okay naman . That's why kanina makikita nyo, iba yung intensity niya, iba yung aura niya. Unlike before, really worried siya sa kanyang sitwasyon. But today, alam nila na Converge ang kalaban. Tulad sinabi ko, we respect them a lot because if you will take a look at their lineup, talagang powerhouse din sila.
Coach, si Juan Vivian, you limit him to 8 points, 12-10 shooting. Yung mga sabi mo dun sa the way you were able to limit him tonight. After, syempre, yung dalawang triple-double siya this season.
After watching their previous game, actually 3 games pinanood ko sa kanila, JDDL is the one orchestrating the team. There's a lot of assists, there's a lot of points from him because they can dominate the game, especially yung mga big man nila. But against us, because of the presence of our 2 bigs, nahirapan din sila. And excuse me, special mention talaga si Juan Gomez de Leon sa practice namin. He will be the one to orchestrate the team. That's why we have to control him.
Kami panuwag effort naman to defend what he did tonight.
I think it started with Chris Ross. Talaga maganda si Ross at the start defending him. Kitang-kita natin yung energy niya at the start. So, nag-drop off yun sa the rest of us.
That concludes our post-game press conference.